We know it's never easy. The late nights, early mornings, and long days are all worth it when you realize why it matters. We're clear on the why. It's about the passion and patience. It's about helping each other through the best of times and the worst of times. Sometimes it's not easy to figure out the next steps, but the good news is that you don't have to do it on your own. We're here to make sure you are never alone in the process. After all, it's about more than a home. It's about your family's financial security and well-being. That's why we make sure to treat your family like ours. We sell every home using our 15-point plan to ensure your family gets the best price for your home on the market. We guide you carefully so you never encounter any roadblocks. On average, customers who work with an experienced agent obtain 30% higher asking price than those selling their home without any help. We have your back. We know the power of community, so the next time you're ready to move, we stick with you. We help you identify and take advantage of quality listings with the latest technology, and we connect you with a reliable network of home professionals to make sure you not only love your new home, but the process of buying it. Three-Piece Real Estate. We go above and beyond to help you feel at home.